Okay, I'm back. There we go. So you guys see the whole thing. All right. In the meantime, I got tired of the dishes just piling up here, so I did them real quick. Okay, so I got that done. I ended up going to the stand-up mandolin to, I kind of like it that way better than I do like this one. I got to work on the other ones. So I got them all. The cheese is all cut up. So I have the onion and cheese over here. That's ready. Now I'm gonna get the stuff started. I hope this works. Never done this before. Oh, and by the way, my dummy, I still don't know how to use this fucking stove yet because I'm a dum-dum. I had the back burner on. This burner was not on. So I'm looking at this, I'm like, why is it taking forever for it to boil? Well, Carly put it on the wrong burner. So used to my other one. Like, this one's just totally different. Okay, I'm only doing 1 packet of cream cheese. I got a double packet. Should have got this already done. Now, I'm going to soften that cream cheese is what I'm going to do. I'm going to soften it real quick in a bowl. Damn, trash can's next to me. Right, Cubby? Let me go grab a bowl and put this inside of here. Okay. Okay, that's not going to come off. Come on. Why is this got to be difficult for me? There we go. All right, get off with it. Knife. Ouch. So yeah, I'm actually excited for this big cook I'm gonna do. Actually excited. All right, I'm gonna put this in the microwave for a few minutes. The microwave is like right behind you. Put it in for a minute. All right, while that's doing that, I'm gonna give me a pop. I'm thirsty. Oh, good, there's some in here. All right. Now, I need a spatula because I need to get that out. Here, nope, that's not a good one. Where is my good one? There it is. Okay. So I'm putting in this, the alfredo. Of course, I gotta make another mess. I could never just do like cooking clean cooking. All right, let me stop this because it's playing snap, crackle, and pop games. All right. Okay, what I am going to do, I need a paper towel. What I am going to do is put this chicken back in the fridge until it's time. And grab some milk. Filled half the jar with milk. There we go. That worked a little better. Man, I wish I had one of those microphones. I was looking for those when I was when I was looking for Prime Day. I was looking for this microphone to clip on. If you were able to hear it sizzling in this thing, you would have heard it off the mic. That's why I want to get a microphone. Okay, this, I still have to get this boiled. I'm waiting on this. So I'm just going to throw in everything, because this is going to get baked in the oven too. But I do want to put some of the chicken on the stove to kind of do some seasonings. So probably with the chicken seasoning, I'm just going to use Daniel's and Uncle Steve's shake. But Daniel's is going inside in here too. So I want to put the rest of this in here. And the rest of this cheese in here. Let me get a paper towel to kind of wipe the rest of this out. I could have used a spatula, yeah. That's what you guys are probably saying. Carla, use a spatula, don't use paper towels. That's just like what I do. Oh, did you guys just see that? Guess I'm making paper towels for dinner. Alright, now I gotta get a can. I got a can of cream and mushroom soup. Where is my... Oh man, I gotta dig it out of the sink. In here? Nope. Damn it. Alright, hold on. Technical difficulties. I gotta find my... Shit's still dirty. I don't give a fuck. Not dirty, but wet. Here they are. Yeah, Joel made something at 12:30 last night on his skillet. I don't like using the skillet. I really don't. I don't know why. The cast iron. I don't know why I don't like it. People are telling me, yeah, it's easier to cook and stuff like that. Yeah, I get that, but it's not me, you know. All right, this is cream of mushroom. I got so many cream of something. I went to the store last week, and I saw that they had so much, like, they have cream of potato. Not cream. I wish it did. I didn't see that. But they had like cream of mushroom, celery, shrimp, garlic and herbs. I mean, I grabbed two of like everything except for the shrimp. I kind of like looked at stuff. So all I'm doing is stirring it up right now. Now what I'm going to do is... Well, all my spoons are in the damn drain pan. Okay, we're going to do three things of garlic. This can go back in the fridge. Okay. I gotta get the onions in here. Might as well have the sauce just already mixed up. I'm just hoping this turns out good. I really hope so. And then I got to, this is going in, this is spinach. So I'm throwing this in here. Okay. Might add a little bit more milk. Honestly, I don't know what the hell I'm calling this. All right, we're gonna throw in, let me wipe my hand off a little bit with this. Is this damn thing boiling yet? Yeah, let me salt this and pepper. Let's get the noodles in there. So I'm gonna cook the noodles halfway because it's gonna cook the rest inside the, I'm using bow ties. You can use any type of noodles you want. I'm using bow ties. So let me stir this up. Ooh, that's garbage. That's garbage because I felt the, alright. Okay, so I'm gonna stir this up, but I gotta put the seasonings in. Spinach is still frozen, so. And I'm gonna get the chicken out pretty soon. After I put these seasonings, I got this stuff all over my Danos. So I'm putting the Danos and parsley in this. want to add one more thing to it though, because I could just have this. There's onions and garlic in this already, but I want to add something else. I'll be right back. All right, I'm gonna put some of this garlic and like herbs into it, just a little bit of it, like that. So that's kind of good enough. But I gotta figure out other seasonings because there's probably more seasonings I'm gonna add to that chicken. So I'm gonna mix this up. I gotta get the cilantro. I gotta do that now. Give me a second. I need the scissors.
Mommy, my happen.
Go look in the couch. Might be on the couch. Okay, so I'm cutting up just a little bit of cilantro. Can you give me a second, Jax? Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, so I gotta mix this up. Alright, this is gonna be mixed up for right now. I think I might have to put a little bit more milk in there. I might have to. Let me check the noodles and I'm gonna start doing the chicken. Okay, noodles are not even near being done yet, but I want them a little bit done. Now, I'm not cooking the chicken fully all the way. I gotta move you guys over here near me more. So, hold on. Okay, good. You can see. I don't have to tilt it. Okay, so I gotta... Oh, shit. I gotta get into the fridge and pull the chicken out. Hold on one second. I can see you guys argue. Alright, so the seasonings I'm putting on the chicken... Here, put this to the side because that's yours.
Good, Jax. I want to do mine now, though.
Let me get this in the oven. You can do yours.
You still
Please.
have to mix it.
Let him mix it.
Where do I put this again?
Just here. Oh my god. All right, you guys are gonna have to hear some baby crying because he's not listening to a word I'm saying. So on here, I'm putting some Lucky Shake. I gotta put oil in the pan. Oh, children, they don't want to listen to you. Sorry. All right. All right, I'm just rubbing this in. Okay. Damn it. Come on. And you guys really want to see me do a live with these kids acting up and everything. And you guys are going to really be a treat. It's going to be a treat for you guys. See these damn kids act the way they do. Danos. Push it in. Then we got the bird shake. I gotta wipe these down afterwards. Alright. So let me turn you around. I'm gonna get this in the pan. You guys can see the pan. Alright. And while this is getting ready, I'm gonna preheat my oven to 350. Okay, I'm gonna get all this in here. I got 2 more pieces. I'm sticking them all in here. All right, that's good. Wash off my hands here. Yeah, I knew I should have put gloves on. But when you're over here just fighting with kids and getting things done, it's just a pain. So yeah, that's what's going to end up happening. All right, let me season up the rest of this stuff. I'm going to have to get more Danos. I might as well get the big, chunky Danos. All right. So let that cook. I'll be right back Let me clean up this mess I got going on here, and we'll be back.